Welcome everyone, it's Glacier Guy, rocking Glacier as always. A little break from the Rivals of Ixalan opening packs. A little Core 2019 pre-release. I unfortunately could not go to the pre-release when they did Core 2019. I would have liked to have gone, but I was busy doing some other stuff. Couldn't make it. So, yeah, we'll see what it has inside. I, for one, enjoyed Core 2019, even though I know my unboxings, because I think I did 4 of them on the channel. They didn't really net a ton of value, but I kind of like Core 2019. All right, what's our card? We got Mentor the Meek. That is a pretty spicy reprint. All right. Did we get a? Oh, okay. So there is a dice in there. It is a Core 2019. M2019. All right. Did we get a card divider? We did get a. Okay, that's the card divider. All right. Good thing we got 6 packs. All right, I'm gonna put the Mentor the Meek back in the box. Close it up. To the box over there. All right. I think there's a 1 or 2 of the. Was it the Planeswalker? I think there's a Planeswalker I didn't get in any of my unboxings. I don't remember. I think it was the green one I didn't get. All right, let's see what we got here. Fire Elemental. Little Swift Claw. Divination, like Divination. Act of Treason. Two-Headed Zombie. Talon of Wildwood. Marauder's Axe. Shock. Totally Lost. Centaur Courser. Little Centaur Warrior. Some Rupture Spire action going on. Oh, you know what? I should put my cards right here so you guys can see them. Rupture Spire. Colossal Majesty. Satyr Enchanter. There was some speculation about Satyr Enchanter when it first was released. And what do you got? It says Pelicot Worm. Worm trample when it enters the battlefield to gain 7 life. When it dies, draw a card. It's big. It's expensive. It's, you know, classic of a core set. Not a lot of value, but still looks kind of cool. Nice, almost, you know, quasi-realistic forest art there, and a night token. All right, let's keep this train going. One thing I like about core sets, it's, you know, it's basically kind of just brings you back to a more simple time, more simple Magic time. All right, you know what? Let me do this something different. Okay, so we'll put that there. I'm gonna move these cards off camera so I don't have to do the weird hand thing where I have to hold it a certain way, because I prefer holding with my right hand. But if I sort it in front of me, then I have to do it a different way. It's awkward. All right, so we got, what we got? Dwiddle. Okay. Sure Strike. Mighty Leap. Amonkhet reprint. Epicure of Blood. When you gain life, each opponent. Okay. Titanic Growth. Nice. Aven Windmage. Star Crowned Stag. Kind of cool elk. If I saw this elk while I was hunting, I'd be terrified of the glowing things. Speaking of hunting, any guys hunt? You know, any of your viewers hunt animals? I occasionally go deer hunting, you know, every couple of years, and I got a buck last year. It's pretty nice. Courser, and yeah, we definitely eat it. So I'm not trophy hunting. Crash Through, Diamond Mare, cool. Dragon Egg, little cute dragon inside there. Mirror Image, you may have mirror enters battlefield as a copy of any creature you control. It's kind of a clone effect. And our rare is Sun Cleanser. Human Cleric. Should have been in Amonkhet, but it wasn't. I don't think it was. Yeah, I think this is a specific for the M19 set. And a foil, Invoke the Divine. And a mountain. And a zombie token. Oh, that's cool. Is that like a zombie vampire? Because it looks kind of like it. Looks like he was a vampire, but now he's a zombie. Or maybe not. All right, next pack. Let's do it. Do it! Open the packs. So Core 2020 is coming out. That's going to be cool. Anticipate. Hostile Minotaur. Knight of the Tusk. Tolaran Scholar. Highland Game. Bog Stomper. Skymarch Bloodletter. Explosive Apparatus. Cavalry Drillmaster. Sparktongue Dragon. Rupture Spire. Stitcher's Supplier, little zombie action going on there. So it's like a zombie that is still cognizant and knows how to do it. You know, cool. Draconic Disciple, Human Shaman. Yeah, cool artwork. Oh, here we go. Victus Asmati the Dire. That's cool. That's a spicy card right there. And we got a Swamp token and Dragon. That's a pretty nice Swamp, actually. Yeah, Elder Dragon Mythic flying. When the Dragon the Dire attacks, for each player, choose target permanents that player controls. Each player sacrifices those permanents. Each player who sacrifices permanents way reveals the top card of his library, then puts it onto the battlefield if it's a permanent card. So, you know, it does have downside, but it's an Elder Dragon. Pretty cool. All right, open another pack. Got a Mythic. Nice. Probably not worth a lot. I don't think those ones are worth all that much. Almond Speaker, Lava Axe, Inspired Charge, Bristling Boar, Hired Blade, Skeleton Archer, Skeleton Archer, Skeleton Archer, Skeleton Archer. Oh, it doesn't say Skeleton Archer in the flavor text. Just wants you to know what it is. Thornhide Wolves, Pegasus Corsair, Smelt, Druid of the Cowl, not bad. Reclamation Sage, also good. Aegis of the Heavens, Gutter Snipe. Infernal Reckoning. Exile target colorless creature, you gain life equal to its power. So this is kind of like more, it should have came out in the Eldrazi set. This is more set up for a different format. More like a sideboard for a different format. And a Stone Quarry. A little bat action going on there. All right. If this was my pre-release kit, I would probably play Jund just because I got a Mythic Dragon and I want to play this Mythic Dragon. Fire Elemental, Line Breaker, Blood, some more Boar action going on there, Havoc Devils, more Wolves, you know, kind of plenty of Wolves going on here. Some Cavalry, another Skeleton Archer, Skeleton Archer, Skeleton Archer, Wall of Mist, I'm not going on that wall, Gift of Paradise, Double Cast, Sleep, and a Spitfire, or Spit Flame, get that right, and a Woodland Stream and a Soldier token. Split Flame deals 4 damage to target creature. Whenever a dragon enters battlefield under your control, you may pay 1 red. If you do, return this to your hand. Okay, sounds like a plan. One more pack. What are we going to get in this one single solitary pack? Omen Speaker, Lava Axe, Inspired Charge, Anticipate, Daggerback Basilisk, Infernal Scarring, Oakenform, Doom Dissenter, some Crashing Through, a Bloodletter, Shieldmare, Nightmare Thirst, Poison Tip Archer, and a rare Banefire. And no, oh, a little cat token. It's a cool cat token. 1/1 token creature cat. All right. Banefire deals X damage to any targets. If X is 5 or more, this spell can't be countered and damage can't be prevented. All right, so looking at what I got, I'm definitely going with Jund. There's a lot of good black, some pretty decent green, and a lot of good burn and red. And I think, I think going Jund in this situation is probably the way that I would build this deck. Mostly I stray away from blue. I don't really play a lot of blue. This is good with it. This not necessarily wouldn't be good with it. Some Rupture Spire action going on there, but yeah, definitely would try to go kind of like a dragon sub theme. Try to get some of the dragon stuff to pop off with some of the red cards. But yeah, Victus Asmati is probably where I'm going to go. So if you guys have a different idea, different suggestion, let me know. See you guys around.